At 3 a.m., 180 miles northeast of Dutch Harbor, the Aleutian Ballad is jogging through 40-foot seas and 60-mile-per-hour winds. Captain Jerry Tilley is at the helm, but fishing in this weather is impossible, so the crew has sought shelter below deck.
How's it looking, Chief? Unbelievable. We wouldn't have any current problem, but evidently I was wrong.
Captain Jerry is deeply focused on the large swells ahead, when suddenly... a massive rogue wave the size of a 5-story building has sideswiped the boat. Rogue waves up to 100 feet high often appear without warning in mid-ocean. The 60-foot ball of water which smashed into the 100-foot fishing boat turned it completely on its side, causing the engines to shut down because of a sudden drop in oil pressure. The camera continues to record as the crew struggles to gain control of their boat.
See that power?
I don't know.
The engines are dead. The power is out.
Holy. Chief, we got no steering. Got no steering. Did the auxiliary die?
You got slack tanks. Oh, you okay?
Amazingly, the boat rights itself. Captain Jerry is able to fire up the engine and restore power.
I thought we hit a rock. Or another boat. Now we got no computer. It knocked the computer out.
Below deck, sleeping crew members have been tossed from their bunks. Now they try to assess the damage.
That wave was so huge.
I don't want to be part of this. I ran to the dog I smelled it go over. I just woke up, but I was able to catch myself. That was gnarly, dude.
The captain's daughter, Nicole, has been injured.
She got thrown into the cabinet there.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's okay. How's that arm?
It's good, I just can't bend it.
Wow. Maybe you shouldn't for a while. This is where Nicole broke the cabinet door with her body.
Just unbelievable. I've never taken a break like that in all my days. That's just a 30-year wonder there. It's unbelievable. I've heard talk of rogue waves, but I've never seen one. And boy, I'll tell you, if that wasn't a rogue wave, I'll eat my shorts. I got visions of life raft. I tell you what, I mean, these waves here, they're huge, but they're not nothing to worry about. It's not like that. Yeah, man, that was a serious hit. That probably would have killed the ordinary man.
Yeah.
That was one hell of a wave.
Oh, man.
The damage in the wheelhouse and the galley are not the only wounds left by the rogue wave. On deck, the sorting table lies on its back, and a 20-foot section of deck has been torn out. This boat is lucky to have survived the tremendous pressures exerted by the weight of the breaking water. Now, the Aleutian Ballad will limp back to port for repairs.